I just have a question. Do you think we're giving too much of leeway to Russo for not scoring enough?
I think that what Arsenal need is something very similar to what City have, which is that they have Bunny Shaw and Miedema. So, like, if Russo is somebody who's like a 9.5, right? Because yes, Russo is the striker, but Russo is also doing a lot of like hold up play, defensive work, a lot of like creation work, etc. And last season, I think Manam had like a bunch of goals because Manam was playing behind Russo and putting those shots away because
Yeah.
eventually, like I said in this game also, the person who finds themselves in that situation where Russo is creating and turning and holding in the goal scoring position is the person behind Russo. So I think they needed like a player like Miedema behind Bunny Shaw to
Hmm.
be that person who puts it in. Like they have to figure out a 10 that can score because I do think that Russo is like in some senses a complete striker.
Hmm.
Yes, her finishing can improve from where it is, but it is already one of the better ones in the WSL. Like she's not Bunny Shaw levels, but
Yeah.
she's a good finisher. And she has technical ability, she has hold up play, she has physicality. So there is just so much going in favor of Russo. And I don't think like even in the last 2-3 games when Arsenal have been playing like crap, the only player I felt like was really trying was Russo. Yes, she did not put those two shots that she had to bed, and ideally, that's what you want from your striker. But strikers miss all the time. Nobody is complaining about Bunny Shaw missing these two opportunities where she was through on goal because other
Yeah.
people step up. Whereas in Russo's case, the reason it's so noticeable is like because nobody else has stepped up.
I feel like every time we talk about Arsenal's problem, we
Yeah,
kind of like you're talking about a 10 who can score. A 10 who can score
yeah,
is Mariona Caldente, right?
yeah.
And where is Mariona playing? 8. So what do
Oh,
Arsenal need?
yeah,
They need an 8.
yeah.
It's
True,
literally
true.
we keep circling back to Arsenal needing a 6/8 pretty much
Yeah.
every other episode of this podcast.